Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY, and we have
Rick VanRyndam.
Rosa Correa.
And what we're doing is we're showing you the different patch products for concrete and asphalt. And really what you want to do is understand the difference and why there is a difference between these products. And so if you have a crack in your concrete, an 1/8 inch or less, this is the best product to use. This is our epoxy coat, high performance acrylic latex caulk. And we recommend this an 1/8 inch or less, because this is really easy to use. And you can go to the video and we'll explain how that's done. But this is great for cracks less than an 1/8 inch. If you have holes or cracks above an 1/8 inch and you want to patch it smooth, this is the product we recommend. The EPK 1000. It really goes down nice, it's easy, and you can see again in videos where this goes down really easy, and it's a great product, and you can coat right over it. It's really easy to make it smooth. And so
You're suggesting that's good for going over spalling concrete?
yeah, you can use this over spalled concrete or cracks or holes in your concrete or asphalt. This is really meant for a coating system to go over. It's really for larger cracks than an 1/8 inch, and up to any size. You can use this and then you can coat right over it.
So that's good for putting epoxy over paint like that?
Yes, this is great for epoxy to go right over it, or polyaspartic. This is a great product.
So what happens if we have like a real deep hole? What would you recommend?
Okay, yeah, I'm glad you asked that question. Okay, so now we go to the next system, which is the Pave Patch product. And so what this is Rick asked the question, how for a big hole? So if you have big holes or areas that really need more of a concrete resurfacing, if you have really spalled concrete or big deep holes or a curb that has to be patched, this product is your best product. And it's best to kind of look at it like this. This is a patch product that is thinner in feel and appearance than this. This is more like concrete. And so you can apply this to any thickness that you would like. And you can go down thin too, but it's got aggregate in it, so it's not as easy to coat over it, because you'll see that non-skid texture.
What's the thinnest you recommend?
So you can go with Pave Patch, you can go thinner. You can go up to as thin as a 1/16 inch, but the problem is you're going to have that aggregate. And so if you want it to be kind of smooth, let's say you want to top coat it with epoxy and you put down the Pave Patch, you're going to want it to go down over an 1/8 inch application, because this really is designed for a 1/4 inch or more application. Gives you an idea, kind of. So concrete's a good concrete mix is about 4,000 PSI. A lot of times it's less than that, as low as 3,000. This handles up to 14,000 PSI.
Wow.
So this is much better.
So you could drive like high lows and semis over that then?
Yes, you certainly can. In fact, some of the most severe environments have used Pave Patch. Pave Patch is used, so some of the current customers we have, central transport, trucking, and waste management, where they really tear up their concrete, they resurface their concrete with this. Well, with NASA, I mean, Rick is a salesperson for NASA, where they're really beating on the floors and they need it really, they'll take even new concrete and resurface with this.
Let's not forget the parking lots in all those stores that we keep going back and fix that. Also the entrance of your home, that little corner that is coming off, it's a great product for that.
So that's really the difference between the caulk, EPK 1000, and the Pave Patch. It's really how thick and how durable. If you're going to be recoating your concrete, this product will do everything, even thin, fine cracks. But if you just, have a few little cracks, hairline cracks, it's easy to use the caulk. But if you've got larger projects, you want to resurface an area, you want to do indoor or outdoor patching, where you would otherwise think it couldn't even be done because concrete is simply not strong enough, the patch isn't durable enough to patch, that's where the Pave Patch comes in. And so that's mainly the differences. I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY.
I'm VanRyndam.
Rosa Correa.
And we appreciate your patronage. Please go to our website for a variety of different products. Thank you. Have a great day.